Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our hair and we're using My First Wig. My First Wig is very beginner friendly. They give you a booklet, they give you tools that you need for your wig, and everything is just easily laid out for you. So today I am showing you this curtain bang wig. This wig is already like pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. So there's really not much you have to do but put it on and style it. So that's what we're going to do. Here I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It is 130% density. The hair texture is Malaysian hair. They have two options that you can choose from. You could choose Indian or Malaysian, but Malaysian hair on their website lasts longer, so we're going with that. And this is a natural color. They also can dye it if you want your hair jet black, or just go with the natural color because you can lighten it if you need to. Also, the cap size I have is a cap size 1. The length of this unit is 20 inches. And I have the silky smooth hair texture, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous texture. Once the hair is brushed out, because I was side-eyeing this wig a little bit, but once you brush it out, it looks really good. So you can definitely leave your house, just taking out the box, brushing it out, fixing up the bangs to fit your face. These are curtain bangs, so they're not like, your standard like bang bang. But of course you can cut them shorter if you want. You can also add more hair into the curtain bang fringe if you would like. For me, I might honestly go back and cut them a little shorter because y'all know my forehead is so small. So on me, they're longer. So I pull the wig back some just so they sit nicely. But you can see, like, she's cute. Just add some heat to the bang. But of course, you know me, I love to wash my units. So I ended up washing this wig and blow drying it. So this is what it looks like, freshly washed and blow dried. Again, this might be one of my favorite hair textures. It's just such a nice texture. And when it's blow dried, it gives texture. It gives texture. So I like that. I could have worn it like this, but of course I wanted to kind of style it how it came. So just some very, very loose, not tight at all curls.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah,
just how I feel. Hey, dollar make just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Hey, dollar might turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
When we break the code, no way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stove. No way. Not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I fuck Shireen and went to tell my bros. And that is it. Just give the bang a little flick, and you don't even need makeup. You don't need lashes, you don't even need eyebrows. Girl, just put on some lip gloss and go about your day. So I love that. This is gonna be like my new just throw on and go wig, because you don't have to worry about blending no lace. You don't gotta worry about none of that, and I love that for me. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all at night, top rhyming, yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a rapping for the revenue. Holly Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter.
So yeah, this is what the hair looks like all around. Again, this is 20 inches, and this is a long 20. It goes all the way down past my waist. Love that. And you can tell I'm feeling the wig. It makes me want to dance. But anyways, I'll be sure to leave all of my first wigs hair information in the description box for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.